Collocations are pairs or groups of words that often appear together in English. They sound natural to native speakers and help you speak more fluently. Learning collocations means understanding which words commonly combine, so your English sounds smooth and correct. Learning collocations is important because using wrong word combinations can make your English sound strange. Correct collocations help you express ideas clearly and naturally. When you use common word pairs correctly, native speakers will find your speech easy to understand and pleasant. Sometimes learners make mistakes by mixing words that do not naturally go together. For example, saying "I did a decision" is incorrect. Native speakers say "make a decision." Using wrong combinations can confuse listeners or sound strange. To understand the difference between right and wrong collocations, it helps to compare examples side by side. For instance, "make a decision" sounds right and natural, while "do a decision" sounds wrong and unnatural. This comparison helps you remember correct patterns better. Heavy rain is a common collocation. People say heavy rain to describe a lot of rain falling. Saying strong rain is incorrect, even though strong and heavy have similar meanings. Whether collocations like this must be learned as fixed pairs to sound natural. It is important to avoid wrong collocations, such as strong rain. Using strong rain feels unnatural for native speakers. Saying heavy rain is the correct and expected way to describe rain that falls in large amounts. Many weather-related words have fixed partners. Heavy rain is correct while strong rain is not. Learning these fixed pairs will help you speak English like a native. Repeating natural collocations helps you remember them and avoid mistakes. Some collocations are very important and appear in everyday conversations. For example, "make a decision" and "heavy rain" are essential to learn. Memorizing these patterns will make your English sound natural and confident. Practice them regularly to build fluency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.